Love it. I don't know if you guys can even see, can you see the length? Can you see the length? I'm giving you guys baby girl for life. Baby girl for life. Maddo. Hey guys, this is Dami here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I did these knotless braids, it's my first time and it looks so good. I'm literally so excited. Guys, it's clean, it's neat, I love it. And I think I'm gonna do this again because the fact that I can be switching my hair like this 1 hour after doing my hair and my head doesn't hurt. Never in my life. So without further ado, please like and subscribe and let us all learn how to do our knotless braids. To start, I have my Expression, my braiding hair in the color T33. It's pre-stretched, love it. Also got the same hair in the package 33. 33 is the color that I'm actually going for. I actually have the color side by side so you guys can really see the difference. I'm starting with the transition for my roots and then really getting that color in towards the ends. I also have a duck clip that really helps me with parting, making sure my parts are neat. I have my tail comb that helps me actually make the parts, my leave-in conditioner for moisturizing, and I have my Jam Extra Hold, really gonna help me get those nice parts and have everything looking sleek and clean. So before we get into this, I really just want to show you guys how I prepare for each braid. So each braid composes of like 6 or 7 pieces and they're varying from small to medium. Obviously I start small and then those spaces that you see are actually where I put the colored hair. I mix the colored hair in with that transitional hair and it gets me the length and the look that I desire. I'm probably only going to use 4 to 5, maybe 6 pieces per braid. The rest are just extra in case. Okay, so now we're ready to start. When I'm ready to start, I go in with the jam and I just make sure that the parts that I've made are well defined. I'm not getting any tiny hair strands from other sections. I then part my hair in 3. Then I start braiding. I start braiding my hair as per usual, like you're doing a single braid with your hair. I braid my hair about 3-4 times and then I begin adding hair. So you're holding the hair and now you want to add. So you're not adding it to where your thumb and your index finger meet, but where your index finger and your middle finger meet. You're putting it in the middle and then continuing the braid. 1, 2, you're grabbing a piece of hair, adding it into where your index finger and your middle finger meet, right there. Continuing the braid. I don't know if you guys can see, but when I add the hair into where my index finger and my middle finger meet, I then take the other length of the hair with my other hand and I use that to continue the braid. If you guys are still having some trouble, don't even worry about it. I'm going to show you guys a different angle and slow this video down. Okay, so now to show you guys that method to extend your braid. As you can see, I'm tucking the expression between my thumb and my index finger, and I'm literally just continuing the braid, almost like it's that third piece of hair. I want to show you guys again how I did it, how I picked it up with my thumb and the other piece just kind of went over, forming that loop, and then I proceeded to continue the braids. I really like this method because I was able to get the length that I desired without having my roots be super bulky. I did not have to add a lot of hair at the start, but just adding a little bit as I went on helped me continue that sleek look without making it too thick, going to too thin. It was a nice, even transition. To get my hair to blend properly, sometimes I put a little bit more jam, or I put my leave-in conditioner, or I put hair grease or something, and then it just tucks my hair in a little bit better. So at this point, we have passed the length of my hair and everything is tucked in, which is what we want to see. Once I'm happy with the sections, I part it for real, and I kind of just give the braid and the hair section a little twist just to see how would that section actually compare to the ones beside it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a technique again from a different angle. So like I said, we start with a regular single braid, and then once we're ready to add hair, we add it between our index finger and our middle finger. And we continue the braid like such. We're adding it into our index finger, middle finger, and we literally just continue the braid. It's very, very similar to every other feed-in method. It's just really cool that you're doing it on a single braid and not in cornrows. As you can see me, I am adding it in, I'm picking up the hairs on the side, and I'm continuing the braid as such. In this braid, I really only needed to add about 4 pieces to get the length that I desired and the width that I desired, and so I continue. Yup, I did that. Ooh, scary. Guys, please comment down below your thoughts. How did I do? Guys, if it's not waist length, I don't want it. I'm so happy that I took the extra time to just add hair to all the braids to really get it to the length that I wanted. Okay, so now that I'm done, basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through again and cut off the stray hairs. It just makes it look a lot neater. And then I'm gonna dip it in the hot water. I go to like where my hair is and then I stop because I don't care. I want it to look neat, but not at the cost of my hair. Ew. Okay guys, so now it's time to dip the hair in hot water. Just set these braids, not have it be so stiff. It's very stiff right now. We want it to be nice, long, and flowy, not so cardboardy. So to do this, I really like to use my handy dandy milk jug. It is empty. Okay, I'm ready. We're gonna do this in 3 sections, side, side, back. We're gonna start with this side first. All right. I only go to like where my hair is and then I let the steam kind of do the rest. Woo. I'm gonna move. So by going up and down, I'm preventing those ends from being on top of one another. Wow, this steam, now wow. Okay. All right. Nice and flowy. These ends are actually beautifully straight. I did these ends really, really nice. In comparison to these ends, you can tell that this one overlapped itself a little bit more. Still pretty straight, but definitely could be straighter. Whereas this is like dead straight. So this was like the good way, and this is why I say I use the milk thing. Nice. Everything just looks so much like smoother, calmer, nicer. Let's look at these ends. These ends are not bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put them back in again, but literally just the ends. Nice. So just the unnecessarily long parts, I'm just gonna cut off. So after cutting off those ends, I'm just gonna go in with some hair sheen. It really just kind of oils your scalp, but also makes your hair look really shiny, really fresh. And then I'm going in with some Lotta Body Mousse. So this basically just sets your hair. I'm not supposed to put it on the actual hair, I'm just supposed to put it on my roots, but it just sets it. It sets it nice, so everything stays as it should. And it kind of just melts throughout the day. And that is it. Okay guys, I really hope you guys understood. If there's anything you guys did not understand, please put it in the comment section. I would love to further explain. This was my first time. I did not watch a lot of videos. It was kind of instinctual. It kind of just made sense. I really love this method. The fact that I can be doing my hair like this and that and my head doesn't hurt. Never in my life. So I really hope you guys got it. If you don't, let me know. I will further explain. I tried my best, but don't worry guys. I'm gonna be doing more styles and I'm gonna be putting you guys on. I'm gonna try to explain all the styles that I do from now on. Please make sure to subscribe and like if you do want me to do more styles and explain them to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday at 2 p.m. in another video. It's the braids for me. It's the braids for me. Walking freely. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. His hair is giving me too much energy. I said talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. Do you guys see, like, I did this shit. Like, are you guys silly? Like, don't be silly. Don't